NgoLwesihlanu olwedlule, ilungu lenhlangano iGift of the Givers laphucwa imoto likhonjwe ngesibhamu ngesikhathi lisendleleni lihambisa impahla yokulekelela abadinga usizo. Ikhansela lendawo ligxeke kakhulu lokhu.
We condemn that, and we are saying that those type of crimes must actually be fought against. In fact, the community of Khayelitsha must actually unite against these people these perpetrators who actually rob vehicles and targeting company vehicles that bring services to our communities.
Abantu bakulendawo bathi bayesaba ukuthi iGift of the Givers angeke iselula isandla kulendawo uma kwenzeka bebhekana nezingqinamba ngokuzayo.
That would deprive the needy people, the people who really need these services, because of just few individuals who actually perpetrate crime in our communities. So we do fear for that.
Abantu bakulendawo sebenxuse uhulumeni ukuthi ubafakele ugesi emgwaqeni ukuze kuzoncipha ubugebengu.
These areas, the same as the one we're standing in, these areas need to be electrified, because it's one of the problems, because these syndicates would choose these areas because there's no electricity, it's dark, and some of the areas apart from these ones, you need access roads for proper policing from SAPS.
Akekho osaboshiwe ngalezi sigameko.